I love Bob's Red Mill Steel Cut Oats, and I'm going to show you what I do. I make overnight oats. I'm going to show you my recipe right now. Start with 1/4 cup of the oats. I like to add either walnuts or pecans. I'm going to do walnuts today. I just put in about that much. And then I add some chia seeds. And then water. Now I'm just going to cover it and put it in the fridge overnight. Okay, so it's the next day. I have to tell you, I did add a little bit more water. I realized after I turned off my camera and disconnected my mic and everything that I needed to add more water. So basically it's 1/4 cup of oats, and then you would do 3/4 cup of water. I usually eyeball everything. I wanted to give you more accurate measurements. Anyway, the next day I add fruit, and I always use frozen fruit. There are so many different varieties of fruit, different, blueberries or mixed berries, and this one I have here is pineapple, bananas, strawberries, and mango. Put it in the microwave oven, and it's anywhere between 2 and 2.5 minutes for this. Look at the size of that strawberry. It's huge. This is going to take 2.5 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and put it in for 2.5 minutes. I'm back. That was 2.5 minutes. Now I'm just going to add some milk, unsweetened almond milk. That was a little bit too much. I'm trying to use the phone camera here and do this at the same time, and it's a little tricky. And then my favorite sweetener is stevia, and that's it. And believe me, it is so delicious. I have this every morning. I love it so much. I really highly recommend it.